GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, right? Yes, in this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you people, not for me. Do that. That's your social responsibility. If you watch my videos, then subscribe, like and share. Okay, I don't make these videos for myself, do I? I don't have to tell myself what is my analysis. It's in my brain, okay? So go and subscribe, like and share. If your hands and fingers are still intact, and then you can click on the link say swing like a pro, come to this page right here, check out these short videos. Okay, you will know what I do. Check out these videos and you can join if you want. You can always book consultation if you want to speak with me one-to-one. Always join the Telegram. Coming back to the charts, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we have taken a pullback. Oh, I told you last week I told you that we got the rejection from this structure. Okay, so this low was never broken. This candle was touched but not broken. Okay, then we bounced as I told you last week. And Delhi is what? Delhi, we have touched the EMA already, man. So that's critical. Now here what's gonna happen? Either we'll go up and take down this high, or we'll just dump. Okay, chances of dumping are not instant. So what does the Dr. TubeCore says here? Forex Dr. TubeCore. So two rejections coming from the EMA, and we have to just wait and watch, because I think we have to take down this high. We have to take down this high before dumping down. So could be possible that we just go up and then wick everything and then close under the EMA. Time will tell, 4 hour we got it. 4 hour we are above the EMA. Okay, so 4 hour we had been trying so hard and closing above the EMA. This is bullish pressure. Okay, 4 hour clearly tells us that we are bullish. You can see here higher highs and rejection from this EMA. I know what the entry is. I will not tell you, but look for longs. Okay, look for longs in GBPUSD for now. I will not tell you the TP, but I think if I go back to Delhi, it's critical. Okay, come back to Delhi. What I said here, I said that I think it will go up, wick everything here, and then might come down and close below EMA. But it might go up. So keep guessing. If you want solid entry, exit, and TP, join this program. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.